right, let's put our card pieces together. Pick out whichever one of these is your favorite to put on the front, because that's the one that you see the most. Actually, I'm going to leave that cap off for a moment. And then glue the rest of them on. Once again, I'm using the liquid glue for this so that I have the moment or two to shimmy it in place if I don't get it placed correctly the first time. And then one on the back. Now I kept these fairly simple and neutral. I just have flower silhouettes. You could go as elaborate as you wanted. I didn't want to take the focus off of the butterflies because I thought they were pretty on their own and I didn't want anything to compete with it. But this is one of those things you can have fun with. Like this one is butterflies, but wouldn't it also be cute with little bugs? If you had someone in your life that just loves bugs, they would get a kick out of this card. All right, same as the balloon card, I am going to be gluing all of these in place with double-sided tape. That way I don't have to wait for anything to dry. So put the tape on the acetate, pick it off and glue it into place. So altogether I have got 8 butterflies. I've got 3 things here, so I'm going to put 3 on the back and then 2 on the back and then 3 in the center and then 2 on the front. Either way, you can do it however you want. But I just don't want to put too many of them on the back and not have any for the other layers. And if you wanted, you could even do more butterflies than what we did here. You could have a ton of butterflies all completely made and really load it up. And some of these I'm putting the adhesive on the front, some of them I'm putting on the back. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure that you're putting your piece on the appropriate side so that the tape will stick to the things in the center of the card there. Well, it looks like I was wrong. I'm doing 3 in the front. There we go. And just like the balloons, I try to keep from having the same colors in front of each other because I'd like to be able to see all those butterflies. You put all that work into it, it's kind of nice to be able to see them all. So I try to pay attention to what's behind it and just put colors that are going to pop and show up a little bit. There you are, ready to go. So I do again need to make a custom card for this, but I really like it when the bouquets pop out a little bit. So it's hard to keep it within that 6 inches, but that's okay. Custom cards are really quite fun and simple to make, and I'll show you in the next video.